Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change a Venus shaver cartridge. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a Venus shaver. This is actually my wife's razor and she kindly allowed me to use it for this video tutorial. And if you take a look over here, there's actually a cartridge, so you can reuse the handle and replace the cartridge whenever the blades get dull, okay? So it's very easy to do. If you take a look at the back right here, so this is what I consider to be the front of the shaver, and this is what I consider to be the back of it, okay? Just for clarification. There's a little nub right here, and if you press towards the actual shaver portion, it's gonna pop off the actual cartridge. So check this out. Okay, it popped it off. You can see right here, it gives it a little pushing motion and it pops it off. And then what you do is you take your old shaver cartridge and you can toss it in the garbage when you're done, or dispose of it however you want to. And then you take your new shaver cartridge and you want to line it up the right way. So once again, this part, the back of the part without the actual blades lines up with the back. And the front of it with the blades lines up with the front. You can sort of see that if you look at the shape of this, it makes sense with the shape of this. So you just want to press it into place. You don't need to do anything with the nub now. You just need to press it into place. So you can see right here, we're lining it up and, sorry, I'm just trying to look at it off of the camera. I can't look at it through the screen properly. Line it up and press it in place. Just give it a little tug to make sure it's in there nice and securely, and that's it. That is how to shave. That is how to change the cartridge, the shaver cartridge on a Venus shaver. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.